Good morning, traders. This is the pre-market video here on Friday, October 29th, 2010. GDP is on tap, and actually it just reported, and look at this. We saw an initial drop, but now we're rallying north. We're looking at the S&P, or the spider, the ETF on the S&P 500, and we're starting to see some positive movement to the upside, finding resistance at the 50-day moving average and also 118.10. Earlier in the session, we had a gap down. We were down quite a bit. At this very moment, as we can still see the market's rising, we're down 0.25%, 0.16% on the Dow. So this is the S&P and Dow, still in negative territory, obviously, because we do have this gap to contend with. But things are looking pretty bullish all of a sudden here if we can maintain this movement. Now, if you were to take out the news of the GDP, you have a gap down, this little wavy flag type thing coming up. These are called bear flags, which are normally more bearish than they are bullish. But we do have the news here that's playing out quite nicely. So let's do a 60-minute chart. 60-minute chart. You can see the market's coiling here. You can see this coiling formation. You know you're coiling when you're just trending really well inside moving averages, and you have these moving averages coming in right here. We had this gap down. Now this is going to want to fill the gap. If we fill the gap, that's going to put us at 118.36 area, which was acting as support here, resistance here, and resistance there. If it comes up and fills at 118.36, there is a decent technical chance of it retracing. So the axiom is a gap that happens and retraces will want to go back in the direction from the original direction of the gap. So in that case, that would be down. But if the markets can stay strong and keep moving higher due to the GDP news that's breaking, we could have a positive Friday rounding out the week. So stay tuned to the video this evening. There will not be a noon video. This evening, Scott will be taking care of me. I'm away for a couple days here. And then either late Friday night or early Saturday, I will put on the weekend edition per usual. And look how we're coming right back. So let's take a look at the 5-minute. Huge volatility here. Look at the size of this candlestick. Big low, big high. So the markets are still trying to digest what was just given to it. Take care and safe trading today.